So there may be different 3D objects that you may want to go ahead and import inside of SketchUp. And if you want to go ahead and import out some furnitures or maybe some decorative items and so forth, you can actually utilize something called 3D warehouse. So to do that, over here on the top, you can see that 3D warehouse icon is here. And apart from that, you can also go around over here onto Windows and then go to 3D warehouse right here. And it loads up 3D warehouse. You do need to be signed in with your account right here, just like this. And once you're in, you can go ahead and search for different contents as you need. Let's say, for example, I'm going to say table right here, and I'm going to go ahead and search for tables. And here you can see that there's different sort of tables that I can bring in. Let's say, for example, I want this, then I can simply go ahead and click on download, and then I can simply go ahead and load this up right here. And it downloads that model out right here onto SketchUp, and you can place it wherever you want, as you can see, just like this. So apart from that, I can go around over here and then go to 3D warehouse, let's say, for example, and I can go ahead and then search for different things as well. Let's say, for example, let's see if I were to find tree right here, just like this. So if I were to go around, you can see that there's some trees that I can go ahead and download. So let me just go ahead and click on this one right here. You can see the preview of it as well. And then you can go ahead and download right here, just like this. And then what happens is that the tree gets downloaded right here, just like this, as you can see right here. And this is how you can go ahead and utilize the 3D warehouse in order to go ahead and download out models as you need inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.